I briefly mentioned the projects under the previous section, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about it here. I'm not going to say hugely much about it because you clearly already have accounts, but you may be interested in getting projects yourself. And again, to have an account at HPC2N, you need to be a member of a compute project. Either you join a project or you apply for one yourself if you fulfill the requirements. There are storage projects and there are compute projects. The storage projects are for when the amount of storage, the default 500 gigabytes, is not enough. That is what is included with the compute project. You cannot have a storage project without a compute project. And as a PI to apply, you need to be part of one of these 5 places. But the members can be from anywhere. So you apply in Super, and I'm just going to show you how it looks in Super. But of course, you have seen that because you have Super accounts. But in order to use Kebnekaise, you would go to Center Local Compute and then pick HPC2N Local Compute and then go in here, create new proposal. And you need to be logged in to do that. I'm not going to do that right now. And in any case, this is the description of that I just showed you. And as default, you have 25 gigabyte in your home directory, and you can apply for storage project. If you need more than the 500 gigabytes you get in the project storage, and that is, remember, the 500 gigabyte that is default is shared among the project members. And also, if you apply for a storage project, if the PI does that, then that again will be shared among the members. And that is also why you should create a space for yourself under the project storage so you don't get all the files mixed up with other people. If you get a storage project, you will link it to a compute project that is done from within the storage project. And I'm not going to talk further about that, but it's simply going into the storage project when you have it and pick a compute project there and then pick link. And when you do that, that means that the members of the compute project will automatically become members of the storage projects as well. So that is easier than having to add them both places, and safer. You don't forget anyone. And when you have the project, you can get an account, and the members that you add to the project also can get accounts, and you get those by going to this link here in Super, and you have all tried doing that. So, but this is all explained more in HPC2N's documentation pages.